This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to block a number on T-Mobile. Whether you're trying to avoid unwanted calls or just need a break from certain contacts, blocking a number on your T-Mobile phone is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start from your home screen. From there, open the phone or call app. This is where you manage all your incoming and outgoing calls, and it's the starting point for blocking any unwanted numbers. Once you have the app open, look for the menu option. This is typically represented by 3 vertical dots in the corner of your screen. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Here, you'll need to locate and select the specific contact or phone number that you want to block. This step is essential because it ensures that the correct number is targeted for blocking. After selecting the contact or number, the next step is to tap on the option that says Block Number or Block Contact. This action will add the number to your blocked callers list. Once a number is on this list, any calls or messages from that number will be automatically blocked, offering you some peace of mind and uninterrupted time. Now, let's say that sometime in the future you decide you want to unblock this number. The process is just as simple. You'll return to the same settings in your phone or call app and choose Unblock Number. This will remove the number from your blocked list, allowing calls and messages to come through once again. And there you have it. That's how you block a number on T-Mobile. Whether it's a temporary solution or a more permanent fix, you now have the tools to manage your calls and messages effectively. Remember, these steps can be repeated as often as needed, so feel free to block and unblock numbers as your situation changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Have a great day.